Unit 3, In the Woods, Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Lesson 2, Grammar. Grass, grass. Tree, tree. Ant, ant. Flower, flower. Butterfly, butterfly. Bee, bee. It's grass, it's grass. It's a tree, it's a tree. It's an ant, it's an ant. It's a flower, it's a flower. It's a butterfly, it's a butterfly. It's a bee, it's a bee. On, on, in. Where is the bee? The bee is on the tree. The bee is on the tree. The bee is in the tree. The bee is in the tree. Where is the ant? The ant is on the grass. The ant is on the grass. The ant is in the grass. The ant is in the grass. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is on the flower. The butterfly is on the flower. The butterfly is in the flower. The butterfly is in the flower.